An NVIDIA H100 server costs over $30,000. GPU as a service charges you by the hour, which actually costs less. The answer is more nuanced than it looks. The cost of owning an H100 hardware, $30,000 to $60,000 upfront. Data center colocation, $500 to $1,500 per month. Power, $200 to $500 per month. Maintenance, networking, and IT staff. Additional. Total annual cost, easily $50,000 plus. The cost of renting H100 on demand, $2.50 to $4 per hour. Reserved, 1 month, $1,500 to $2,500 per month. That's $18,000 to $30,000 per year for 24/7 access, without capex or operational overhead. The break-even analysis. For teams using a GPU at 80 to 100% utilization continuously, ownership can break even in 18 to 24 months. Below that utilization, or with rapidly changing hardware needs, renting wins. The flexibility factor. When the B200 becomes the standard, cloud users upgrade instantly. Owners face another $40,000 plus capital decision. Technology obsolescence risk is real and often unaccounted for. Cyfuture AI helps teams model this comparison honestly, with custom pricing to match your utilization patterns. We'll help you find the model that saves you money. Ready to power your AI workloads with high-performance GPU infrastructure? Visit cyfuture.ai. Email sales@cyfuture.ai or call +91 8800 766 220 to get started today.